Hi everyone, Donna Little is doing a challenge. It's hashtag Get Back to Crafting 2023, I think. I'll put it in the description if it's wrong, and I'll link her channel below. She's trying to get to 4,000 subscribers, so let's all try to make that possible for her. And what she wants to do is, she doesn't want you to mail anything. She just wants you to make a video of what you made. And if you don't have YouTube or Facebook, to just email her the whatever you made for the challenge. So the four things she wants is, you don't have to do all four. I did, but she wants lace, buttons, a doily, and some type of text. So you can use one of those items, 2, 3, or all four. You can do a tag or, anything really. You can watch her video, which I link, so you'll get her information. But she doesn't really care what you make. But I am in the process of making a recipe journal right now. And then I thought, you know what? Let me do another wedding journal, because I haven't done a wedding journal in a while. So I said, because I'm going to be making a wedding journal, I'll make a tag for it, and I'll put that in the entry. So this is my entry for her challenge. I used lace with pearls for the top part of this tag, and I used it down here as well. I put a white doily on here, and I cut it in half, which it was this one, and I cut in half. Well, I cut more than a half, and I got this from Donna Little because she also sells all kind of fabrics, laces, doilies. She makes charms. So that's a thing too. So I put the doily there, and I put some buttons over here with some little pearls over here. And then I put some text over here, and I distressed it. I don't even know if you can see it through that lace. And then I was like, well, that's kind of offsetting it a bit. So then I just pasted some lace on top of here. I think you can kind of see it. And the paper I used was Embossing Roses, and I got that from Hobby Lobby a while back. I'll show you the back of it. This is the paper. It's like an ivory shimmer color. I've done quite a few of my wedding journals like this with this paper, and there was another kind with all crosses, and I used that too. But I think from now on I'm just going to stick to white satin fabric or an ivory. And I also bought that from Donna Little because she has wedding dresses that she took apart, and she sells wedding appliques and everything. And then she would sell, the satin as well. And I got white and ivory, I believe, from her a while back. So I think I'm going to make the wedding dress out of that. Because this paper, what happens is it starts to, when you fold it over to make your journals, it starts to get like little rips, where it's embossed. And I don't want that. I mean, there was a very small rip when I did it, a little tear, with the rose, but I still don't like that. So I am going to use the fabric. So check her channel out. She goes to estate sales a lot, and then, you can get things from her for a decent price. And a lot of things you can't find in stores. So this is my entry. Sorry about the lighting, but it's kind of dark today. This is later on at night. So this is my entry. Check out her channel. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.